Ideal for multifamily renovation and new concrete construction, Maxxon's Acousti-Top offers sound control when a permanent mat is not an option. Over a properly prepared substrate, apply undiluted Acousti-Top adhesive in 4-foot wide sections, the width of the Acousti-Top mat, at a rate of approximately 250 to 300 square feet per gallon, depending on substrate. Rough or coarse concrete may need 2 coats of adhesive. After the first strip of Acousti-Top is applied, work outward so as to not step in the glue and transfer it to the mat. Install Acousti-Top mat into wet or tacky Acousti-Top adhesive with seams butt jointed. During application, take care to avoid wrinkles and bubbles forming under the mat. The installation of Acousti-Top does not eliminate the need for expansion or movement joints, including perimeter joints. Around the perimeter of the installation, an expansion of 1/4 inch must be maintained at all times. After Acousti-Top strips are placed, backroll the mat with a standard resilient floor roller to ensure 100% surface coverage is achieved. Ensure that no air pockets or folds have resulted from backrolling. Roll perpendicular to direction of floor goods. Acousti-Top is compatible with a variety of floor goods and adhesives. Follow floor covering manufacturer's adhesive and installation guidelines. Gyp-Crete was only the beginning. Count on Renovation by Maxxon for maintenance solutions for the life of your building.